Hey folks, this is Conrad Bitangcol with RE/MAX Professionals, and this is another episode of the Real Estate Experience. And today I'm coming at you from the West Central Edmonton neighborhood of High Park, where I've got my latest and greatest listing, this little gem, and it's affordable too. So let's just jump right into it.
I wanna but I'm broken hearted. But I like to party. Touch, but I got nobody here.
Now this little gem that I have here for you today is a bungalow with a total of 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. And if you're watching this video tour, you might fall in one of 2 categories: first-time home buyer or investor. And if you're either one of those, this is gonna be the perfect house, because this home shows pretty awesome. It has a lot of upgrades and it's on a lot that I think you guys are gonna love. So let me take you inside and let me show you around. If you're looking for your first house, this is one of those places you're gonna love to call home. And you're gonna love to come to this home and cozy up in this living room. As well, you're gonna find newer windows on the main floor, fresh paint, and newer light fixtures upstairs. And you're also gonna get this bright kitchen that has a couple of windows that let in lots of natural light. There's also a practical amount of cabinet and countertop space, a stainless steel fridge, as well, you're gonna find this renovated 4-piece bathroom and 2 spacious bedrooms. And the basement is fully finished, and down there you'll find a 3-piece bathroom, a 3rd bedroom, and a large recreational room and a living room. And if you're looking for a home that has a big backyard with lots of room to run, well, with this home, you can check that one off the box. Now this home is on a 7,400 square foot lot. So what that means is if you have a green thumb, which the current homeowners do, you can have gardens and grow lots of produce. These guys currently have some raspberries, strawberries, and Saskatoon berries going, as well as some corn. This yard also has a ton of sunlight, and you're also gonna have this fancy deck that you're gonna be able to enjoy. And another thing this home has that I think you're going to enjoy is the double oversized garage. And if you're the type that likes to tinker, you'll definitely be happy with this garage. As well, this home has trailer parking. So if you got a camper or a trailer that you need to store, you're gonna be able to do that right there. So that wraps up this video tour of this home here in High Park, West Central Edmonton. Now, if you want more information on this home, I will leave a link in the description. And of course, if you've been watching this on Facebook, please feel free to comment, like, and share. And if you know somebody that would like to call this home, please feel free to tag them in the comment section. I'd like to thank you for watching. Again, my name is Conrad Bitangcol with RE/MAX Professionals. Conrad out. Peace.